Good morning, students. I hope you and your family members all are fine and safe. Successfully, we completed the last term. Today, I am going to start second term, right? In second term, like first term, we have five chapters: number system, measurement, algebra, geometry, and information processing, right? In this five chapter, today I am going to start with number system. In number system, we are going to learn decimal numbers, right? Decimal notation and the place value of decimals, and to learn the concept of decimals as fractions with denominators of tens and its powers. And then we are going to learn to represent decimal numbers on a number line, right? Before start this, let us learn what is meant by decimal number. See, look at this diagram, children. Here, here one conversation is there between a teacher and one boy. The teacher is asking that boy to measure this pencil length, right? So this length of this pencil is 4 centimeter. Point this 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. That is, these 10 lines are there between these two centimeter, isn't it? Between 4 and 5 we have 10 lines. So length of this pencil is 4.3. The same way here, length of this pencil is 4.5. Yes, so both the answers are correct. That is 4.4 whole part, that is, listen here, 4 whole part and 5 in decimal, 0.5. One part 10 divide பண்ணிருக்காங்க, isn't it? 1 centimeter equal to 10. 1 millimeter, this is right. Right. Now, here in the same way, that is 4 is called it as a whole number part. Point is called decimal point. And 5 we can call it as a integral part, decimal part. Right. Now, let us learn how to represent the decimal numbers, right? Here we have some examples. Book is not there with you, children. Is it okay? I'll send you this PDF. Representing a decimal number in a pictorial form. That is, here we have tens. Tens are one whole part. Here I'm going to draw like this, a full box. Once we can draw like this, right? Don't get confusion. One whole and that point numbers we are going to draw like this, right? Now, let us see some examples. Then you can able to understand the concept. See here. Represent the following decimal numbers pictorially. First, I'll go with 0.3. Here, whole number is 0. There is no whole number. 0.3. That 0.3 here I am going to mention like this. 0.3, that flat box is right. Yes, children. Next, I'll go with 3.6. Here I have a whole number 3. 3 full box. 3 whole number part. 0.6. 6 point decimal. 6 boxes are here. Right. Next, 2.7. 2 full box. That 0.7 we have to draw like this, 7 boxes. Yes, children. Next, I'll go with 11.4. 11 full boxes are here. Yes. Instead of that, for easy way of counting it, just here we have to draw 10 boxes, then 1 box separately. Then easily we can able to count 10 plus 1, 11.4. Yes, children. Right. Next, second example is write the following in the place value grid. Place value grid is very easy. Already we learned in natural numbers, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Number system we learned in 6th standard, isn't it? In Indian system and international system we learned. In the same way here also, but here we are not going to learn about million, trillion and all. Just here we are going to learn ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and after decimal part, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have to read like this. Yes. So first sum here I'm going to write 0.37 in a place value grid. First we have to draw on a tabular column like this, and then write first we have only whole two, that is here one spot is 0, here one spot is 2, here we have 28 ones and tens. So based on that we have to draw the tabular column, right? First ones, tens, this side 3 digits we have, so tens, hundreds, thousands. Heading we have to write like this. Then take and write that numbers first. 0, that is once there is no 10 spot, so put a dash, and one spot is 0. 10th, after a decimal, immediate decimal point, what number we have? That is tenths. 3, next 7, hundredth, there is no thousand part, just you put a dash. Second sum, 2.73. 2 2 is a ones place. There is no 10th place, right? Before 2, there is no number, so there is no 10th place. So put a dash. 2, 7, 3, 100th place also is not there, right? Next number, last sum, 28.271. 28, 10th place 2, once again 8, 28.271, 10th place 2, 100th place 7, thousands place 1. That's all the place value. Great. Just we have to draw a tabular column and then we have to take and write these numbers. Right, children? Right. Next example you see. The height of a person is 165 centimeter. Express this height in meter. So here we should know how many centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to how many meter, and 1 meter equal to how many centimeter. That all we have to know. We should know. Then only we can able to do this sum, right? Given height of a person 165 centimeter. Hence height of the person we have to convert it as meter. To convert it as meter, just divided by 100. Yes, children, 1 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100, this is a fractional form. How you will write this fraction as a decimal part? 0.01. In denominator, if we have 2 zeros, in numerator, after 2 digit, we have to keep a decimal point. Yes, suppose if we have 1 0, that is 10 we have in the denominator. Now, in a numerator, we have to keep a decimal point after a digit. Yes, children? Right. Next, here we have four sums in this example. First sum, 4 meter. We have to convert this meter as kilometer. That is 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So just you divide this number by 1000. 4 by 1000. So here we have 3 zeros. After 4 digit we have to keep a decimal point. That means, see children, after 4 digit, so first 4 is there, 1 digit, second digit 0, there is no digit, so we have to put 0, then third digit also we don't have, so again one more 0, then keep a decimal point, right? That is 0.004. Yes, in the same way here we have 2 digits, 28, but we have to keep a decimal after 3 digits. So here we have to add 1 0, extra 0, 280.0. Yes, children. Here we have 3 digits in the numerator. So divided by 1000, because we have to convert this meter as kilometer. So to convert meter as kilometer, we have to divide that meter divided by 1000. So 537 divided by 1000. Sorry, 0.537 after 3 digit, 1 2 3 1 2 3, after 3 digit we have to keep a decimal point, right? Here in the numerator we have 4 digits, that is 3983 divided by 1000. After 3 digit we have to keep a decimal, 1 2 3, that is we have 3 zeros, so we have to keep a decimal after 3 digits. So 1 2 3. Yes, children, right? Based on these examples only, we have some exercise sums. I will teach you now. Next, fifth one is express the numbers given in expanded form in the place value grid. So, this is the given question. We have to write in the place value grid. So, 3 is a whole number. Take and write ones, 3 ones. So, take and write below that heading 3 below that heading ones 3 tenth 5 by 10th 5 by 10th means this is 3.534 number we can write it as 3.534 so 5 tenths 3 hundredths 4 thousands. Yes children, 5 tenths 3 hundredths 4 thousands, right? Second sum 40 plus 6 plus 7 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 6 by 1000, that is 46.726. That you know how to write this sum. 7, this is tenths, this is hundredths, this is thousands place. Yes, so 4 tenths, 6 ones, 7 tenths, 2 hundredths and 6 thousands. Yes children, right. Yes children, let us learn exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Write the decimal numbers for the following pictorial representation of numbers. This is the given diagram, right? This is the given diagram. Here we have to write what the decimal number, right? Before that is just you count and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes are here, right? So 10 plus 2, 1, 2, 12. 12. Whole number is part is 12. Then point. How many decimal parts are having here? 2. So 12 part, that is 2 tens, tens 2, ones 2, tens, right? That is 12.2. Yes children? Right. Next, second diagram. How many tens are having here? 2 tens. That is 20 plus 1, 21. Tens 1, ones 3, tens. So they don't confuse with this, right? Just to count the boxes here. This is 10 boxes are here. Here 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21.3. This is 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 12.2. That's all, right? Next I'll go with second sum. That is, express the following in centimeter using the decimal, right? Wait a minute. Right. So express the following in centimeter using decimals. Here we have 5 sums in, that is millimeter la given. Questions are there in millimeter. 5 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 42 millimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 millimeter, 375 millimeter. We have to convert this as centimeter using decimals, right? Right. Here, see, look at this. Here, 5 millimeter. First, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That means that is 0.1 centimeter. So, we have to convert 5 millimeter. That we have to divide this 5 by 10. 5 by 10. So, 0.5. In denominator, we have 10. So, after a digit, we have to keep a decimal point. So, we'll get the answer 0.5. Yes, Kana? Right. Next, 9 millimeter. 9 divided by 10. So, now 9 divided by 10 in the sense how to convert this fraction as decimal. This is a fraction, 9 divided by 10. Why we divide this by 10? Now we have to convert it as centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 9 millimeter equal to 9 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to 0.9. So here denominator 10, 1, 0. So after a digit we have to keep a decimal 0.9. Yes children? Right. Next. 42 millimeter. 42 millimeter ka see listen 1 to 10 centimeter. That is 42 millimeter equal to 42 by 10 centimeter. Denominator 10. So after a digit we have to keep a decimal. That means 4.2 centimeter. Yes. Next, 8 centimeter, 9 millimeter. So 8 centimeter, in the sense we have to consider this 8 as a whole number, right? So 8 point, we have to convert this millimeter alone as a centimeter. So 9 divided by 10. So 8.9 centimeter. Yes, children? Right. Now 375. So 375 divided by 10. So after a digit, you keep a decimal. Here we have 3-digit number. So don't worry. 3-digit number, that is 375 divided by 10 is equal to 37.5. After a digit, keep a decimal. So you will get the answer 37.5. Yes, Kana? Next. Third question, express the following in meters using decimeter. So given question also are there in centimeters, so we have to convert this centimeter as meters using decimals, right? So as usual, 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, isn't it? Right. So therefore 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So the centimeter we have to divide by 100. Yes. So therefore 16 centimeter equal to 16 divided by 100. So denominator we have 2 zeros. After 2 digit we have to keep a decimal. So answer is 0.16 meter. Yes. Next, 7 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So 7 by 100. 7 by 100 we can write like this. That is 0.07. Before decimal, that is no number, means we have to put 1 0. Then only we can able to see the decimal clearly. Yes. Right. Next, 43 centimeter. 43 divided by 100. Concept is same, Kana. So we have to divide the centimeter. To convert centimeter as meter, we have to divide by 100. That's all. So 43 divided by 100, 0.43. So here we have meter and centimeter, 2 units. So meter part, just we can consider it as a whole number part. Centimeter alone, we have to convert it as meter using this decimal. That is 6 by 100. So this means 6 meter. 6 is a whole number. 6 by 100. So there is no 10th place. So that's why, or else we can do like this. 2 zeros of having here. In numerator we have only one number. So after 2 digit only we have to keep a decimal. So one number is missing. So we have to put 1 0. Yes. So 6.06 meter. Yes, dear. Okay. Next I'll go with 2 millimeter, 54 centimeter. So here one, this is wrong, I think so. Not millimeter, meter. 2 meter, 54 centimeter. So 2 meter, you consider it as a whole number. 54 by 100. 54 by 100, you can write like this, 0.54. So 2.54 meter. That's all. So after a decimal, 2 digits are there here. So you can take and write like this. So while adding 2 plus 0.54, 2.54. Yes, right. Next question, expand the following decimal numbers. Expand, that is normal, usually 144 on number we have now. How you expand that number? 100 plus 40 plus 4. But here we have decimal number. So 37.3, 30 tens plus 7 ones plus 3 tens. 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So 3 by 10. After write this step, you have to put 10 to the power 330. You can write it as 3 into 10. That is 10. So 10 to the power 1. 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 value is 1. So 7 into 1, 7. So you people, you have to expand and write like this. Suppose if you have a doubt in this step, now just you leave, you can still this, you can stop it. Okay, Kana? Right. Second one, 658.37. Okay, 600 plus 50 plus 8 plus 10th place we have 3. So 3 by 10 plus 7 by 100. So as usual, see here we have to keep a decimal. 50 ki 5 to 600, 6 into 100. 100 we can write it as 10 to the power 2 plus 50 into 10 to the power 1. This power should decrease and come. 200 ku 10 power 2, 10s ku 10 power 1. So this is a new digit. 8 is an ones digit. So 10 power 0 we have to put, otherwise you can leave it. Then what it will happen here? This is actually, this is 10 to the power, this not here, 0 won't come here, here should come 0, right? Plus 3 to the power, 3 into 10 to the power minus 1. So denominator 10, now we have to take and write in the numerator minus 1. So 10 to the power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by 10. So if you have doubt in this step, just you leave it, children. You wrote only this step. Okay. 237.6, 200 plus 30 plus 7 plus 6 by 10. Right? No need to write the second step. Just to go with that first step. 5,678, 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8 plus 358 of the decimal 3. So 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. Right. Next. Express the following decimal numbers in place value grid. So same, this is very easy, children. Just we have to take and write in the tabular column. First you draw the tabular column, then you write the number here. Then how many digits are there? You see 53. So ones tens. After decimal we have 2 digits. So tens, hundreds. Then take and write the numbers. 5 10, 3 1, 6 tens, 100. And then they are asking one more question. Underline the digit. That is, they are underlining 6, I think so. First sum ke 6 underline pannirpanga. So 6 place value of 6 is 6 by 10. 10th place is in it, so 6 by 10. Second sum ke underline 7 underline pannirukku. So hundreds, 2 hundreds, 6 tens, 3 ones, 2 tens after the digit first number, 2 tens, 7 hundreds, 1 thousands. Place value of 2 is 2 by 10. Yes. Next. 17.39, 110, 71, 3 tens, 9 hundreds, 17.39. The 9 place value is 9 by 100. Next, 9.657, 9 ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 7 thousands. So place value of 5 is 5 by 100. Yes. Next, last sum is 4,972.068. 4,907 tens, 2 ones, 0 tens, 6 hundreds, 8 thousands. So place value of 8 is 8 thousands. That is 8 divided by 100. Yes. Then objective type questions are here. Kana answers also there. The place value of 3 in this 3. This is 3 means what? Thousands. Answer is thousands. 3 or a place value on the thousands. To convert grams into kilogram, we have to divide it by 1 gram equal to 1000 grams. So we have to divide it by 1000. Next. The decimal representation of 30 kilogram and 43 gram is dash kilogram. So 30 kilogram, take and write 30.43 grams. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. So after decimal we need 3 digits, right? But so just to divide this 43 by 1000. So 43 by 1000 is 0.043. So answer is 30.043. Yes. Next, a cricket pitch is about 264 centimeter wide. It is equal to dash meter. Dash meter. Convert the centimeter as meter. So, here 2.64. Answer is 2 point. That is, divide this number by 100. So divide this by 100 means after 2 digit we have to keep a decimal point. So what it will happen? 2.64 meter. Yes, Kana? That's all the objectives. Next exercise 1.2. This is very easy exercise, Kana. So just your book is not there. So you people, you have to draw on this tabular column in your classwork and write the only answers for now, right? So this is the given question. Find the following place value table. So this is the given number 320.157. Tens place is missing. So very easy. 2 is there in 10th place. That's all. Take and write 2 in the box. Next, in the second sum, 10th place is missing. So 10th place, what it will come? 7. In the third sum, 100th place is missing. 100th place la 0. Last sum, 10th and 1's place is missing. In 10th place 6, 1's place 0, and in 1000's place you have to write 5. That's all. Very simple sum. Okay. Next, second sum. So in the tabular column la, just we have to take and write that numbers 800, 0 tens, 1 1. So 801.562. Next, 932.056. That whole number you take and write first. 0, there is no 100. So 47. 47.509. Next, fourth sum. 503. 503. 0 tens, 1's is 3. So 503 point, there is no tens and no hundreds, but thousands are there. So 503.007. Next, 680.310. Next, 109, that is 100, there is no tens, 1 ones. So 109.908. 908, right? After decimal numbers, we have to read like this: 0.908, 0.310. We can't say together, right? Next, question number 3. Write the following decimal numbers in the place value table. 25.178, 22 tens, 5 ones, 1 tens, 700s, 1000. Just draw the tabular column and take and write the numbers. That's all. Very simple exercise this is, right? 0.025, 0 ones, 0 tens, 200s, 5000s, right? Based on the digits, you have to draw on a tabular column. Take and fill that number. That's all, right? Fourth one, vice versa. There we wrote, we take and write the number like this. So here we have a number. We want to write a decimal number using this. 20 plus 1, 21. 0.237. 237. Just without these steps, you can take and write the answer directly. No need to write this full step, right? Just to write the answer directly. 20 plus 1, 21. 0.237. Here, 3.845. Here, 6.009. Yes, 6.009. Last sum, 956 point. There is no 10th place. So, for that, you have to put 0. And then 100th place, we have 3. So, 956.03. Yes, Kana? Yes. Last sum, there is no whole number part. Only decimal parts are having here. So, whole number part is 0. 0 point. 10th place, we have 6. 6. 100th place, 3. 63. Sorry, 6. 3. 1. 0.631. Yes. Right. Next. Question number 5. Convert the following fractions into decimals. Fractions are given. How to write in a decimal part? 3 divided by 10. In denominator, we have 0. So, 1 0. After a digit, you keep a decimal, 0.3. But here we have a fraction. So, you convert this fraction as decimal. Okay? Mixed number, convert it as a proper first. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 2. So denominator la we need the number with 0. So convert this 2 as 10. So for that we have to multiple both numerator and denominator by fifth table. We learn that equivalent fractions no kana. In the same way we have to do. So 7 5s are 35 divided by 2 5s are 10. So 35 by 10 is equal to 3.5. Yes. Next sum 3 3 by 5. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 by 5. So here also both numerator and denominator divided by 2. 18 into 2 by 5 into 2. 18 2s are 36 divided by 10. 3.6. Next we have 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into both numerator and denominator we have to multiple with 5. So 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. 15 by 10 we can write it as 1.5. Next sum in denominator we have 5. To convert this 5 as 10, want to multiple both numerator and denominator by 2 table. And 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. 8 by 10, we can write it as 0.8. So 99 by 100, directly you can take and write the answer 0.99. So this is a mixer number, convert it as proper. Then here in denominator we have 25. So multiple 25 by 4 only we can able to get 100. So both numerator and denominator multiple with 4. 376 by 100. That is equal to 3.76. Yes, Kana? Next, decimal as fraction. This is also very simple. How to convert this decimal as fraction? Just 2.34, you write it as 234 by 100. Then you do one thing. Cancel this by 2 table. You will get 17 by 15. So 217 by 15. Right? After that, fraction or lowest form, they are asking it as lowest form, just you leave it. Still this you can leave it, no need to convert it as an improper fraction, right? Next, 0.18. 0 whole number part is 0, integral part, that is decimal part, here we have 18 by 100. So cancel this by 2 table, you will get the answer 9 by 50. That's all. Next, 3.56. Whole number part 3, 56 by 100, divide 56 by 100 by 4, get the answer 14 by 25. So 3, 14 by 25. You can leave still this, no need to write this answer, right? Next we have some objective questions, Kana. All the answers are coming here. 3 plus 4 by 100, 9 by 1000. Answer is 3 point. There is no 10th place, 049. Next, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Multiple both numerator and denominator by 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 0.06. Next, the simplest form of 0.35. So 0.35 now after decimal, here we have 2 numbers. So definitely in denominator 100 should come, isn't it? But here there is no 100. But we have, what we have? 7 by 20 and 7 by 100 is that, but in numerator we have 7. So this is not a correct answer. So we have to check what it will come now. First write this 0.35 as 35 by 100. Then you divide this by fifth table, you will get the answer 7 by 20. So option 7 by 20 is correct. Yes, children, that's all. These 2 exercises, you have to write it in your classwork. Yes, children, write neatly, draw a line after each and every sum, and the next class I'll go with next exercise. Yes, thank you, dears.